All right, we just got the LED speedometer. Glows blue. But here we go.
We'll do a little disco on mine. Let's change the pattern. It's like police. That would be perfect. Think I can pull someone over with that?
Here we go.
Cops might be upset.
I'll put a solid color on. It's hard to see with your light.
Sorry.
So.
It's very bright.
I went with just the blue.
I'll go green.
And he has a remote control. He can change the colors. And get a little disco stuff going on. Is that white?
White, yeah.
Let me back up here a little bit.
With the camera.
Here, let me get a different angle here. There we go.
At night, we'll do another video.
Yeah, we're going to cruise around tonight. We got a lot of festivals going on here in Bend, Oregon.
So we'll be like the clowns.
And then, of course, he added some... Turn your new lights on. What are they?
They're 1400 each, lumen, 6K. Kelvin is the color. Hooked up to the dimmer, high brights.
Jeez. Yeah. And I highly recommend the LED. That looks so nice.
Yeah. It's different.
Very easy to do. Mine was $11. I mean, you just buy the LED strip and just wire it into your ignition wire. Eddie's got he's got this remote. You can't see it, but oh yeah, that looks cool. Perfect with the natural tank.
Can you see the remote?
Yeah, here's the remote.
The remote control has a bunch of options on it. Turn them on. Do different functions, colors.
That's so cool.
It's a fade in and out type of function.
Maybe I should have got that.
It's all right. You can always get it.
Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is perfect. Everything's all blue. You hear the LED fans going. Anyways, that's it. Turned out pretty cool. I got the idea from Drum. He's the only person I know who's done this with the natural tank. Drum at Pro Cycle. So, and anyways, yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, have a good weekend.